Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today's video is a huge Dollar Tree haul. Check it out. I got a lot of stuff. They still have a lot of spring stuff. I didn't go Eastery, I went more springy with these really pretty lilacs and stuff, and I have a few different projects I'm going to be doing, so keep a watch out for those. And hopefully you've been watching my videos and you know I'm redoing my bedroom, so I do have a project for this coming up, and getting all that stuff going. So bear with me and we'll kind of do a piece by piece. Okay guys, so I thought we would do an unbagging of my Dollar Tree haul and kind of go from that direction. So as you've seen, I did get this sign. It's really cute, and hopefully you can see that there. You will forever be my always. They had a few signs, not a whole lot to choose from, so I didn't have a huge selection to go through, but I really like this one and I thought that would be really pretty over my bed. So stay tuned for that project coming up here very soon. I also got 2 of these LED pillar candles, and they're both white. And I am in the process of decorating my TV stand in the living room and getting everything all kind of springy and whatnot. And as far as candles go, also they also have these collared, they also had a pink one and of course the clear ones, but this one, it looks more blue on the camera, but I thought it looked a little purpley, and we all know how I like my purple. So I got this, which I thought was absolutely adorable. How cute is that? And then, so I got 2 of those, and then that jar. I got 1 more pack of these because I needed them for another project, and I also got a pack of the square ones. They have these little bitty fans. They're battery operated. They take 2 AA batteries. And I figured I'm going to take this apart and spray paint it white because they didn't have any white ones. And the blades in there are clear. So if this works, I'm going to use this on my desk to help keep my computer from overheating. Yeah, so my brand new computer that I just got has an issue with trying to overheat on me a lot. So I thought I would give this a try and see if that would help, because that's a lot of money and I don't want to lose that. I got a spray bottle for water for my plants. I have 2 real plants, and I wanted to be able to spray them, so I just got this really pretty pink. They had multiple colors, but they didn't have any purple, so I went with this one. I thought it was pretty. And then, oh, for my desk, for my room, check this beautiful pin out. It's a jewel pin. They had different colored jewels, but I got this one because it looked more like a diamond. Hopefully that's coming in. There we go. Beautiful pin. I don't know how it writes yet. It's a silver base, and it's really pretty, and I thought that would look really pretty on my desk. And then Papa Lump needs his treats, so I did get him 2 different flavors. I got the beef and cheese flavor, and I got the bacon flavor, and we keep a jar in the living room for him to get his treats from, so I just got some to fill that jar up with. I got, I think, 6 or 8 bags total. 2, 3, 6. I got 6 bags total. So he likes his treats and he dances for his treats and stuff, and he's super cute, so I got him some treats. Gotta keep the puppy happy, right? And let's see what else we got. I got, if you look really hard, they have the Panasonic batteries. Instead of just getting 4, I actually got 6 for $1. So I got 2 packs of those because that little fan that I got takes the AA batteries, and we always need AA batteries. So these are Panasonic. These are not regular Dollar Tree brand. So I thought I would give these a try and see if these would last a little while for us. At $1, I thought they were a pretty good deal. Puffalumps Easter present. I got him a little fox. Look how cute. They had them in different colors, and the tail squeaks. So I got him the one that actually looks closer to a fox, because I mean it is just super cute. And I didn't get him an Easter bunny like I always do, so this is going to be his little Easter bunny. Hubby was with me and he let loose a little bit, so he found these little mini pizza bagels, which do go in the freezer, so we got 2 boxes of those. Can you go put these in the freezer for me, Will? Please. Thank you. Alright, so we know that I am going farmhouse style, right? So I've already discussed part of my decorating styles, a little bit of contemporary and a little bit farmhousey. So they still have these. I got 2 of the little short ones. They didn't have the oval ones, but they say flower and garden on them. So I got 2 of those, and then I got 1 more of the tall one because I already had one of the tall ones from a previous haul. So I do have some things coming up. I thought I would kind of mix and match for my TV stand. And so, like I said, I do have some projects coming up for that. Also farmhouse related. They have a lot of artwork to go through. And I wasn't so fond of these frames, but paint does wonders. So I have this one for my kitchen. It says herbs, sage, rosemary, oregano, thyme, fennel, dill, anise, basil, peppermint, lavender, cilantro, parsley, and spearmint. I thought this was really cute, and it really goes with the theme that I want to do. And of course this. It's a little darker than I wanted. Oops. It's a little darker than I wanted, but I really like that. That's going to look gorgeous in my kitchen. Another one for my kitchen is Market Fresh Produce Sold Daily. I thought that was cute. And then for other rooms, it's Good to Be Home with Family. And it's got that whitewashy look in the background. And then the other pieces that I got, or piece that I got, was this one. It says Love Lives Here. And I really liked that one with the wood background and stuff. I would have preferred a whitewash, but I'll take what I get. If I don't use it in my house, I can always easily do that up for a gift for somebody, so that's good. Another thing I got was this relaxing patterns, peaceful pencil relaxing patterns. This one did not come with the pencil set. I have seen some other hauls where people were getting these, and some of the more expensive ones that actually came with the colored pencils and the pencil sharpener. I could not find those. This is the only book I found at my Dollar Tree. But this one, if you can see, the regular price of it was $6.98, and I got this for $1. And look, I mean, it's got beautiful pages inside to actually color and do. So I thought this would be really nice, a really, really nice book. So I got that, and let's see, get you set back up so you're not gonna fall. So I got some crayon apple flavored juice beverage from Concentrate, and I also got the crayon grape, and then my husband also got a apple juice, and it was a name brand apple juice, but he already drank it, so I don't have that to show you. But I did get those as far as the food haul is concerned. Now to the fun stuff, the floral. I got white and purple lilacs, and I got some more greenery because I ran out of greenery for a project I'm doing for over my TV stand. There's a cabinet in the kitchen that overlooks the living room, and I'm doing like greenery and stuff on that. So I got 2 bunches done, and I still needed one for the center, so I went ahead and picked up 6 more bunches of the greenery. I got white and purple lilacs, and I got a couple little bunches of baby's breath also. So I'm thinking I got 6 of the white and 6 of the purple lilacs, because I'm just doing spring decorations right now for the living room. So I'm not doing anything in particular, and these are colorations that I use all year round. So honestly, even if I let these stay out just a little bit longer, it's not going to hurt my feelings any. I was actually looking for the wisterias because last year you seen me do a ficus tree up as a wisteria tree, and I used the light colored wisteria, but the light purple wisteria. But I wanted to go back and get the dark purple and the white wisteria and do like a tricolored wisteria tree, but I cannot find the wisteria flowers at the Dollar Trees now. So I'm still on the lookout for it. It's going to be a while, I'm sure, but... And another thing I was looking for that I've been dying to find and cannot find at my Dollar Trees is those glass milk jars, the little glass milk jars. I wanted to do those for my TV stand, honestly, but I could not find them. So I thought these are going to be a little bit bigger, so I got more flowers to work with them. But I mean, those are really, really pretty. And I think the end product is going to be beautiful. So we'll see. Hopefully my shelves are tall enough for me to be able to do these. I don't know if I want to do a full-on thing or if I just want like a little bunch of them popping out. Like a little bowl of flowers. So if you're following me on Twitter and Instagram, I am trying to be a little more active with them. Those are 2 avenues that I haven't really ever used, and it's a learning process for me, so bear with me. I'm trying. But you will see that I posted this haul last week, and so you got like a little sneak peek of it that way. If you aren't following me yet, on Twitter, I'm at Life Almost, and Instagram, I believe I'm at lifeinalmostheaven. I don't have a .com, so please don't look for me there. That's not up and running yet. I'm also on Facebook at Life in Almost Heaven, so you can check me out there as well. And I'm posting daily videos Monday through Friday, so just keep a lookout. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, enjoyed it, and if you didn't, you can give it a thumbs down. That's perfectly okay too. And I hope you guys are enjoying your week, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys!